The Camel Max needs to be winterized before freezing temperatures arrive. Purging the water from all water lines to prepare for freezing temperatures is beneficial. The Camel Max is equipped with an integral air purge line and ball valve above the water pump. Start the engine and put the truck in work mode and hit drive. Exit the cab and head towards the front control panel and engage dump mode. Drain the freshwater tanks by opening the rear crossover pipe drain located at the rear of the truck underneath the optional splash shield. Remove the Y strainer cap. Then open the water supply line valve at the front of the body. When all the water has drained, reinstall the Y strainer cap and close the water supply line valve. On the passenger side, use the control panel to raise the body and secure the body's safety prop to help ensure all water drains. Open the tailgate to allow water to drain from the debris body and secure safety props. Open the sewer hose valve located on the front reel. Locate the three-way valve on the heat exchanger on the driver's side of the truck. Position the valve to air purge. This uses the truck's air supply to push water out of the water lines and sewer hose. Spin the front hose reel in the pay-in direction to assist in the water removal process. Return the three-way valve to the normal position when all water is expelled. Option: if your truck is equipped with winter recirculation, connect the sewer hose to the recirculation line at the front bumper. When air is heard entering the water tanks, return the valve position to normal and disconnect the sewer hose. Close the sewer hose valve on the front hose reel. Tip: throughout this process, you may need to periodically position the valve to normal to allow the truck to rebuild air pressure. Install a spray handgun to the front bumper handgun connection. Position the valve to air purge and squeeze the trigger until all water is expelled. Open the three-way body flush valve at the debris body and water pump. Return valve to normal position when air is heard entering the body. Connect the handgun to the handgun reel and squeeze the handgun trigger until all water is expelled. Open the glycol tank feed valve. Turn the water pump dial to prime purge until the pump ingests about 2/3 of the tank of glycol. Turn off the pump and close the glycol tank valve. Slightly open the three-way valve at the front of the water pump to verify glycol is in the water pump and close the valve. Winterization is now complete, and you can return the truck to the normal resting position.